Hey folks, welcome back. This is lesson number 12, week 3, and I do these Monday through Friday, so we're on our third week here, and I'm going to keep them going for a long time because there's so much to cover. If you really learn the blues, if you want to become a jazz musician or a rock musician, blues is really at the core of all of this. So know how to play the blues, and you'll never go wrong. All right, so today we're going to do this little decoration thing. It kind of goes like this. That's 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da. 1, 2, 3. Now, how does it fit together? It's pretty tricky. So you got the first 4 notes here, and then when you hit the C there, you hit the left hand. So got to get that. Well, here's the little part of it that you need to practice. And of course, you can do it in F. Now this is kind of like a warm-up to the big blues riff, which is this. And there's lots of ways to kind of do those little fancy things. We'll get into more of that later. For now, just stick with the little quintuplet. Now, we did a thing with the 9th yesterday like this. I don't know if that's going to work. All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much. See you next time.